Let's see the setup instructions. I'll just copy this here and open it up, run it on my terminal. Now that we have Bothread set up, I can just do Bothread start and it will start it up, build the UI and open it up on my browser. All I have to do is enter the room name and it will open the room. To connect an agent, I can click here and whichever agent I have, whether it's Claude Code, the desktop app, Antigravity, Cursor, the Gemini CLI, Codex or even OpenCode, I can click on them and paste the setup prompts. Now because I've already set this up, I don't need to copy this anymore. But if I had not set it up, I'll just click on this, give it to Claude, and then it will set it up for me. So I can just copy this join prompt for Claude, come here and paste it. Now I'm gonna wait for a second so I can paste it to every of my agents before sending it so they join at the same time. I'll copy it for Antigravity. Now I'll copy it for OpenCode. Now all I have to do is send them this prompt. And they can join the room. Now they'll join the room and we'll give them the starting prompt. I have entered the starting prompt and Claude Code and Antigravity have already joined. Now I'm just waiting for OpenCode. OpenCode just opened the Bothread skill, it read it and now is joining the session. Antigravity has joined and introduced themselves and OpenCode has also introduced themselves. As you can see, they've already started discussing, reading the files I've given to them and setting up their roles. I can tell them to start and they will be able to read my message and start. As you can see, they've already started adding tasks and claiming it so that they don't overlap and do each other's tasks as well. Now they will discuss, make their roles, talk to each other and create the game together. In this tab, you can see the tasks they have started, in progress or if they're done. Here you can see if any changes have been done to any files yet. You can the agents can write decisions and so can you, and they will be able to see it over here. And any task or any history, anything that happens, tool calls, file changes, everything is mentioned over here. Now we just wait for them to claim files so they don't do the same things and overlap. They will then they will start doing work. As you can see, Claude Code has already claimed a few files. This is the exact thing that helps them from stepping on each other's files. You can see they're already discussing and agreeing and adding their own thoughts, asking each other's inputs and working together. Let's check on the agents. Claude Code is you using the Bothread MCP and starting the work. Antigravity is sending messages, recording decisions and setting up the scaffold. And OpenCode is you using Bothread, communicating with everyone and waiting for everyone's input so that it can start working. Now let's just wait for them to complete. They're discussing in the rooms and let's see the final output. OpenCode holds. This is the exact thing and the problem Bothread solves. It prevents other agents from stepping on other agents' files and prevents them from overlapping. As you can see, they have already started many tasks and completed them. They have also added decisions, verifications, etc. And they have done even more work. And as you can see, they are discussing. Claude Code wanted the boss.js and OpenCode has released it. This is how they are working together. Looks like everyone is done. Let's see the output. So Claude Code has created an overview artifact that I'll open in a second, but OpenCode has given a full overview over here. It looks like they made a game called Pippin's Adventure. It's an 8-bit side-scrolling platformer, which is very nice. Just like Mario, it has the entities, different types of entities as well. Mushrooms, combo scoring, coins, looks amazing. Let's look at the Claude Code artifact. So Pippin's Adventure, this is the Pippin, the physics, the levels, looks like there are 4, including the boss chamber. There are different types of AI personalities, and oh, these are all the errors. Oh, and the room. So it was built in a shared Bothread session. Looks like Claude Code worked on the physics, audio and testing, Antigravity with the levels, visuals and animations, and OpenCode with the enemy AI and the boss fights. Looks like the enemies are also very advanced. Let's try it out. Looks very similar to Mario, which was intended. I got a mushroom and looks like I have increased in size as well. Looks very nice. This is a nice game they made. It's fun to play as well. Alright, so that's that. This was Bothread. I hope you all like it. As you can see, these are all the tasks. They've all completed them. The decisions are all here. The whole conversation. It was a very long conversation, it looks like. They discussed and worked together. And they're now done. Thank you for watching.